Hello, this is Dr. Shigdar from Baytax, Berkeley, California. So, Baytax is located at 1400 San Pablo Avenue, Berkeley, California, close to Gilman exit from I-80 or 580. So, in Baytax, we provide accounting and payroll services as well as income tax preparation services for individual LLCs, corporations, trust, and nonprofit. Today, I would like to point out some important tips for contractors, how we can avoid some common mistakes. Okay, number one, not paying your quarterly estimated taxes. Let's say you have a bunch of projects you're working on and you getting paid thousands of dollars, but you're not paying your estimated taxes on time. And then what happens at the end of the year, you get big bills to pay and you get stressed out. So it's a better idea to make your payments quarterly on time, like April and July and so on. Point number two, not keeping track of all your expenses. So what I would suggest, like if you're running like multiple projects or even one large project, so you have a bunch of transactions happening maybe simultaneously. So what you can do, you can immediately take a picture or scan that transaction or save it in an electronic file, and also a printed copy in your filing as well. Because if you don't do it on time, then if you procrastinate and says, okay, we'll do it tomorrow, next week, next month, then your desk will be a pile of papers and you may lose some of them. And even if you don't lose, but when you file them, you'll get stressed out. So it's very good idea to file your receipts and invoices and payments documents on time. Point number three, not requesting in advance for filing late. So if any reason you think that you can't make the deadline for filing your taxes, it's a better idea to let the IRS or state knows that you're filing late. So there's a particular form you can fill up and send it to them by electronically or by snail mail. So that will save you a lot of money as well. Like if you file late without notice, and they will charge you penalty. Point number four, not seeking any professional help. So sometimes people think like, okay, I have some issues or some little thing that I can just handle it, and then they end up making mistakes. So instead of saving money not to pay to the consultant or CPA or accountant, you may end up paying a lot more, because if your situation is a little complicated and you don't seek advice from a professional, that may cost you a lot of money in the end. So it's better to do that and get advice from a professional before things get complicated. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and hopefully we'll come up with more videos and tips in the future. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye-bye.